Kira here, and I've just got a quick mini album share for you guys, and this is using the February Document Life Stories kit. I was the guest designer for them. So starts off with well, I guess I'll tell you, I just cut everything at 4.5 inches, a 4.5 inch circle, and I just used a basic circle shape in Cricut for that. And then I added some cut files to some of them from the cut shop. But I started with a piece of vellum, which is for my stash, not in the kit. And I just layered it up with this die cut tag that was in the kit. The alphas are from the kit, and then this little wood veneer piece. And the album is going to be for my husband for Valentine's Day. And it's just all the selfies that we took this year, or last year, I guess, 2017. So this is what the album is about. I just layered up this little piece here, just a little piece of paper with the die cut and a wood veneer, and that was just to cover up the foam that you could kind of see through the back there. I stamped here so you could kind of see it through the front here. I wanted it to kind of look like it was behind the that little die cut, and then I just machine stitched, and you'll notice machine stitching kind of throughout the album, so just machine stitched over that die cut there. And this is one of the cut files from the cut shop, and I just layered on top of it one of the chipboard pieces from the kit, and then I just layered up some of the elements from the kit throughout the pages. Here I fussy cut out some of those little stamped flowers.
The babies too.
And here, this is a wood tag, and I just got these at like Joann's. You need to be quiet, please. And I just glued on some selfies of us on each side, and added these little chipboard pieces here, and one of the little die cuts from the kit. So this page, again, I just used one of a cut file from the cut shop and just layered a little wood veneer piece from the kit on top of there. This piece is the acrylic piece from the kit, and I just layered it on this tag, and I did some hand stitching to adhere it on, and then just glued it onto my page like that. Another piece, cut file from the cut shop. I just layered my photo up, and I added some thread behind it. Sorry about my dog. And then added some staples for some more texture there too. Here I just used the alphas included in the kit and did our initials and a little chipboard piece right on top of that die cut that was included in the kit. Here's another cut file from the cut shop. I just added the little chipboard on top of there, and then I finished it with one of the with the cut file from the cut shop, and then just added the different papers from the kit here on the back. So that's it. That is my mini album using this kit, and I'll have some close-up pictures here at the end, so stay tuned if you want to see up close pictures, and I will see you soon with another video. Have a good day. Bye.